What's up? I'm so excited to finally get my hands on the Fenty Skin Cookies and Clean Mask. Don't mind the hair. I just got out the shower. It's been a long week, okay? I've already dermabladed my face because I feel like we're detoxing, we're getting together. Shout out to Rihanna because I've been trying to get my hands on this for like ever. So this is what the mask looks like. Can y'all see that? And the texture is, can y'all see that? It's super bouncy. So let's get this on our face, okay? And it is fragrance free, you guys. That was not a cap. Guys. Now let's rub it in because it has these little beads that is supposed to burst as you rub it in. So okay, I think I'm all grayed up, and they say they suggest that this goes on the skin for 10 to 15 minutes, and you're supposed to do this 2 to 3 times a week. So 10 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, so let's go ahead and rinse this bad boy off. And immediately, oh my goodness. When y'all see Rihanna touching her face, talking about impeccable, impeccable. I want to end this off with some fat water. This stuff is my favorite from her skin collection. And this mask makes my face feel so freaking soft. So I thought it was appropriate to throw on a Fenty Beauty Fat Water Serum that also minimizes pores and over time brightens the skin. And voila, Fenty Fresh.